Nord-ouest à 22 km à l'heure. L'humidité relative, 46%. That's Brit. Météorologique importante pour les régions dans la zone de diffusion. Restez à l'écoute pour plus d'informations.
Jesus Christ.
Environment Canada has updated a severe weather bulletin for southern Alberta at 10:32 a.m. Mountain Daylight Time, Friday, July 2nd, 2021. A heat warning is continued for Kananaskis, Canmore, Airdrie, Cochrane, Olds, Sundre, and City of Calgary. A heat warning is continued for Drumheller, Three Hills, and Brooks, Strathmore, Vulcan. A severe thunderstorm watch is issued for the following regions: Kananaskis, Canmore, Airdrie, Cochrane, Olds,